Hello guys, how are you? Today I will discuss with you about CrayRex exchange. You can buy CrayRex coin at the pre-sale price. Pre-sale end on 29th November. You can buy the token of KRRX coin. So this is a wonderful exchange. Why you will join? It's a time to start our crypto journey working with the most trustful crypto trading platform. This is providing lessons, liquidity, security, ultra fast, core, advanced trading instruments, API, and trade your own way. Buy, sell, withdraw crypto asset on your own preferred. You can control with API. You can download their app and you can trade any cryptocurrency. Enjoy discount rate, commission and other benefit with CrayRex native token, KRRX token. You can enjoy trading fees discount, save up to 50% of trading fees holding KRRX token. Saving program, get high rates within saving program. KR referral program, earn more than 50% of commission via referral program. CrayRex ecosystem enjoy bonuses within a range of CrayRex products including social trading, MAM account, digital banking and crypto payments. You can learn about more about trading, become a verified, and you can reset your Google account. You can create your account on click on login. Here you will be click and you can create your account. So you can check out your dashboard. Here you can trade spot trading. Here you can explore KRRX coin. Here you can instant exchange your crypto, and here you can earn up to 14% API in BTC, Ethereum and KRRX. When you will click on this, you will go to their exchange, and this is a tab of this is your wallet, and here you can swap and you can earn APY. Here you can see you can trade different multiple cryptocurrencies, TRX, XLM, BTC, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. You will click on this icon and you will go to their wallet. Here you can deposit and withdraw these cryptocurrencies. Initially they are providing these pair, and in future I hope they will add more cryptocurrencies in their exchange. Here you can instant swap and the added pair. You will select here your amount of uh, you want to exchange in BTC or other cryptocurrencies. You will click the exchange and you will get your desired cryptocurrencies. Here you can also earn APY on KRRX, Ethereum and BTC. They providing KRRX 360 days 14.5% annual percentage per year, and minimum amount is 10 KRRX is required. You will also earn KRRX 360 days 14.50 and minimum 10 required. You can also earn 13.5 on USDT, and you required to need for place your on saving $5. So this is providing a saving account on stablecoin and their own coin. Here you can check out their trade and you can do your trade. Here you can check out more about these are also trading trade commission will be in soon, and you can earn, you can enjoy a referral program, and this is a staking 500 to 5000 trading fees for trading fees will be discount on the average holding is taking 500 to 5000 KRRX. So you can verify your account by clicking on setting and go to the home page. So thanks for watching my video.